Now this is such a beautiful bob makeover. I love the amount of volume that she has. She also has the beautiful bottleneck style bangs to frame out her face. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at hair transformations. So moving on to the next one, looks like she's also going to be getting a bob style. Oh, another gorgeous bob with the bottleneck bangs. Very chic and modern bob look. I absolutely love this trend. Now, if you guys are like me and you are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like we have yet another bob for the next one. Now, it's not surprising that we do have someone else getting a bob. As you guys know, this is a very popular hair trend at the moment. We're seeing so many variations, but the most popular one is, of course, with the curtain bangs, the fringe style bangs, the bottleneck bangs. Very cute. So it looks like the stylist is putting in some layers within her shoulder length bob style. Once again, showcasing a lot of fullness and thickness within her strands. So moving on to the next one, it looks like we have a major hair transformation here. So she does have some grown out roots. And it looks like she also wants to do some layers and brighten up the hair color, making it more red. She's also going to be getting the ends trend just a tad. And let's see what the stylist ends up coming up with. Oh, wow. So she actually did that checkered hair color trend. Red mixed with black. Oh, this is so cool. I've seen this trend a couple of times before, but this is a really edgy, modern way to play around with color. And of course, she also got the layers put in as well, really creating a nice amount of volume to her hair. I absolutely love this makeover. Very cool. So next up, we see someone with very long waist length hair. It almost looks like her hair might be like tailbone length. And of course, she wants to get some layers put in. So I've mentioned this quite a few times on this channel, but if you are looking for a way to kind of add some volume to your hair or give it more oomph Layers is definitely going to be your best styling option. You can keep the length most of the time, but the layers just add that fullness, that bounce to your hair that is probably much needed. If you were to also get the curtain bangs, you would also be able to frame out your face in a way that would be very appeasing. Very nice. What a difference the layered look makes. Her hair looks phenomenal. And you can see she still has all of that length. So here we have someone with a bob. And it looks like she is switching things up with a pixie style. More of an undercut going here. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this sharp line detailing that the stylist does here. Gorgeous, sophisticated, polished pixie look. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.